Where is the stomach located? The stomach sits in the upper abdomen on the left side of our body. The top of the stomach connects to a valve called the esophageal sphincter, a muscle at the end of your esophagus. The bottom of the stomach connects to the small intestine. What are the parts of the stomach's anatomy? Stomach has 5 distinct sections. The cardia is the top part of our stomach. It contains the cardiac sphincter, which prevents food from traveling back up your esophagus. The fundus is a rounded section next to the cardia. It's below your diaphragm. The body corpus is the largest section of your stomach. In the body, the stomach contracts and begins to mix food. The antrum lies below the body. It holds food until your stomach is ready to send it to your small intestine. The pylorus is the bottom part of our stomach. It includes the pyloric sphincter. This ring of tissue controls when and how our stomach contents move to the small intestine. Now the structure of the stomach. Our stomach has several layers of muscle and other tissues. Mucosa is your stomach's inner lining. When your stomach is empty, the mucosa has small ridges, rugae. When your stomach is full, the mucosa expands and the ridges flatten. Submucosa contains connective tissue, blood vessels, lymph vessels, and nerve cells. It covers and protects the mucosa. Muscularis externa is the primary muscle of the stomach. It has 3 layers that contract and relax to break down food. Serosa is a layer of membrane that covers the stomach.